And where are we? Alright, you can release the knife. Walk that on out.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So kind of joint idea. Aaron really was the architect, figuring out how to make everything happen structurally and led the design. And I would say the rest of us did whatever Aaron told us to, whether that was put icing on, figure out how to make the top of the colonnade. I made the clock. It's at 4 o'clock because, and just icing the things. So yeah. And it's after snow. That's why it's
collaborated on brick red and decorator.
Yeah, we worked hard to figure out the coloring. It was a team effort all around. Not a single fight.
No.
Not a single disagreement. No. Team unity.
All right, congratulations.
Cooler days and alpine climates. So we went with an alpine waterfall. Ours is, swirled in snow, which was like, you see it glittering. There's a little, almost bit of ice here in the water, if you look.
It pops.
Because it's cool. We chose to do a strawberry and chocolate filling on each of our tiers. Lauren led in the visioning and also in the execution of the waterfall. Lacey was really integral in helping to create this rock situation that you have around here. Shauna was incredibly integral in creating some of our swirling snow patterns, both in on all of our sides here.
So what you're saying is Shauna frosted.
This was an integral situation.
I mean, excellent cell job. Excellent cell job.
If we're being clear, that was the most labor.
I wasn't saying that's wrong. That's what I did.
Give me five. Give me five. I frosted. It was the way bread and sold it.
Just frosting that
Right.
Swirling snow patterns.
It takes so much time.
It does take.
That is where we are.
There was no Shauna shade there. That was about.